Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Perio Gel is probably one of the most effective and accessible treatments for gum health available today, offering a convenient and potentially powerful solution for maintaining healthy gums and preventing more serious issues. In this video, we will explore its benefits, potential drawbacks, and everything you need to know before incorporating it into your oral care routine. Number 5. Perio Restore Gel. This innovative gel is a simple, at-home treatment for better oral health. It's designed to significantly reduce bacteria and improve gum health. It helps reduce or prevent gingivitis and periodontitis, protecting your teeth and gums from infection. This means less swelling, bleeding, and potential tooth loss. The 1.7% hydrogen peroxide formula gently yet effectively targets harmful bacteria. Each application provides noticeable results. 2 convenient trays are included for easy and mess-free application. Simply apply the gel and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. With regular use, you'll notice healthier gums, fresher breath, and possibly even whiter teeth. It's a simple step for a healthier smile. This system includes 1 tube of mint-flavored gel and 2 application trays for a complete at-home oral care solution. Start your journey to a healthier mouth today. What we like? It significantly reduces bacteria and helps maintain fresh breath. If you're looking for an effective at-home treatment to fight gum disease and improve your smile, this is a great option. It's perfect for those wanting to prevent gum disease and maintain healthy gums. What people say. After just a few days I notice redness and swelling going down. After 4 days my gums are a soft pink again. Using it every night has helped with my periodontal maintenance. After 3 days my gums have stopped bleeding and the pink color has come back. They were a bit red before and inflamed, but this really helped. Number 4. Perio Gel Trays Kit. This kit includes 3 tubes of gel and custom-fit trays for a complete at-home oral care solution. It's designed for a comfortable and effective treatment. It contains 1.7% hydrogen peroxide, the active ingredient also found in leading brands like Perio Gel and Perio Protect Gel. This ensures powerful cleaning and gum health benefits. Many dentists recommend this gel because of its effectiveness and gentle formula. It's a safe and reliable way to improve your gum health. It's compatible with all dentist-approved trays, offering flexibility and convenience. You can use it with your existing trays for easy integration into your routine. Using it for just 15 minutes with the trays will soothe your gums and leave you with fresh breath. Experience the difference a healthy mouth can make. Its low viscosity makes it easy to flow around and into gum pockets, ensuring thorough cleaning and treatment. This ensures complete coverage for optimal results. What we like? This gel is dentist recommended and works with all trays. If you need a gel that's easy to apply and use with your existing trays, this is the one for you. Its low viscosity ensures easy flow, making it ideal for those with gum pockets. What people say. This product has helped me with my bleeding gums and it's really a change I can notice. I have been using this for over 6 months now, and I have had huge improvements. Been using the gel for the past 2 weeks and have noticed a significant difference on my gums. Number 3. Perio Gel Periodontal Treatment. Perio Gel is a clinically proven treatment for gum disease. It helps reduce bleeding, inflammation, and pocket depths, leading to healthier gums. It's the only peroxide gel tested and proven in controlled clinical trials. You can trust its effectiveness and safety. This unique gel, used with the Perio tray, eliminates bacteria quickly and comfortably. Experience a noticeable difference in your gum health. It gently whitens your teeth for a brighter smile, without the sensitivity often associated with other whitening products. Enjoy a naturally whiter smile. The active ingredients, hydrogen peroxide and xylitol, fight gum disease effectively. It's a non-invasive way to improve your oral health. It's uniquely formulated to reach bacteria that brushing and flossing miss. It provides a more complete clean for optimal gum health. Perio Gel is recommended by dentists as an effective periodontal treatment that goes below the gum line. It also promotes whiter teeth and fresher breath. What we like? It's clinically proven to reduce gum issues and kill bacteria in minutes. If you're looking for a proven, effective solution for gum disease and want a bit of whitening, this is a top choice. It's gentle enough for sensitive teeth. What people say. Started using Perio Gel as a result of periodontist recommendation. I have used it for 1.5 years and my checkups are great as a result of using this product. Gum disease kept in check and teeth whitening. When used regularly, Perio Gel keeps teeth white and gums healthy. Fresh product to help combat mouth bacteria. Number 2. Gum Gel Treatment Kit. Are you experiencing bleeding gums or gum disease? This innovative gel treatment kit provides effective relief and helps promote healthy gums. It's a complete kit with 5 tubes of 1.7% hydrogen peroxide gel and convenient trays for easy application. It's designed to target the root cause of gum problems. The gentle yet powerful formula helps to reduce inflammation and kill bacteria, promoting healing and preventing further damage to your gums. It effectively addresses bleeding gums, gingivitis, periodontitis, and other periodontal diseases. It's a comprehensive solution for total gum health. Simply apply the gel to the trays and place them on your gums for the recommended time. It's a convenient and effective way to improve your oral health. With consistent use, you'll notice healthier, less inflamed gums. It's a simple step towards a confident, healthy smile. What we like. This product effectively treats various gum diseases and comes with multiple tubes for long-term use. If you need a comprehensive solution for multiple gum problems and prefer convenience, this is a great option. It's perfect for those with severe gum issues needing consistent treatment. What people say. Have been using Perio Gel 2 years, no longer have any bleeding at gums, have whiter teeth. Perio Gel is gentle to use for cleaning between the teeth and gums. It has a pleasant mint flavor that is not too strong. After a 15-minute cleaning session, there was no irritation to my gums. Compared to other brands of Perio Gels, this one, I feel, is the best because there is simply more gel in the tubes. Most brands have 3 ounces. Perio has 3.5 ounces. Product works as expected. My gums are healthier than they ever have been, and another benefit are white teeth. Number 1. Ounce Tube Periodontal Gel. This innovative gel is designed for periodontal treatment and oral cleansing. Its minty fresh flavor makes for a refreshing experience. It gently cleanses your mouth, promoting healthy gums and teeth. Experience a noticeable difference in your oral health. The convenient tube makes it easy to apply the gel directly where it's needed. No boil and bite trays required for application. It helps to whiten your teeth, revealing a brighter smile. See visible results with consistent use. This gel is a simple yet effective way to improve your oral health. It's the perfect addition to your daily oral care routine. Upgrade your oral hygiene with this powerful gel. Enjoy a healthier, brighter smile with ease. What we like. It provides a convenient oral cleansing experience and promotes teeth whitening. If you are looking for a simple, effective way to improve your oral health and brighten your smile, this is a good choice. It's ideal for those who want a quick and easy way to maintain oral hygiene. What people say. My gum was inflamed after my new crown was put on. My dentist said it was normal and it might last 3 to 4 days. But it hurt when I ate. I used this oral treatment and it did its work. The product is easy to use and mimics the much more expensive product from the periodontist. My dentist actually told me to use this product not only for my gums, but for my veneers. I use this about 3-4x weekly for 15 minutes. The taste is not bad at all. Very easy to disperse the amount you want to put on your trays. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.